So today I'm going to show you how to make your eyebrows like a pro. Hi everyone, Alice. Honestly, I don't know where to start because the info in my mind is kind of jumbled up, but we gotta do this. Okay. So the thing is, I've been wanting to start this YouTube channel for the longest time ever, and I think since 2019, and I never got to start. Okay, so you need 5 things, guys, and that is Pro Concealer. This one, it's not the original Pro Concealer. It's illegal Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer. Yeah, this one over there. I just hope you can see. And you'll need a toilet paper. You're going to find out why we need this toilet paper before this video comes to an end. And you'll also need a brow pencil. I'm using a very old brow pencil in this video. This one, a well sharpened brow pencil. There we go, a brown one. And you'll also need a razor, a very sharp razor, guys. Ensure that your razor is not blunt. And you'll also need a mirror. I have this small mirror over there. Ooh, over here, I mean. Sorry. And let's get into the video. So I'm going to place my mirror down here because I'm going to start by shaping my eyebrows. Oopsie. I'm going to start by shaping my eyebrows. And there we go. Oopsie, Lord. I know I keep saying that word. Just 2 times though. So let's shape the eyebrows first. Oh Lord, I don't even have the hair on the brows, but we're going to have this for now because this is what I have. Okay. Let me stop talking too much. That's it for the very first eyebrow. That's what it looks like. Oh Lord, I forgot to pick my hair brush. I wish I had it because I could have brushed this hair on the brow and it could have looked much more better than what it looks like right now. Now let's go to the very second brow. We're just removing the hair flyaways that are on the sides of the brows. And on the second one, finally I'm done shaping my eyebrows, and that's how they look like. I know this side looks kind of different from this other side, but it's because there's a time that I was shaping my eyebrows and I ended up cutting the hair on this brow excessively, so that's why they're looking kind of different. But by the end of this video, after we've done the brows, you won't be able to see the difference. They'll be looking so cute. So let's go to the very next step, and in the next step we are going to be applying our brow pencil on the brows. So there we go. So guys, I just changed the position of my mirror and it's at the front here right now. Whoopsie. What do you want? So this is what my eyebrow looks like after filling it. Guys, I've told you it's the Mwitu way, so keep calm. And we're going to do the same for the other side. So just filling. No format, just fill it. So guys, I gotta look down here and continue filling my brow. Okay. And finally, this is what I look like. Okay, we're not done yet. I know this is how some of you usually shape their brows, but we're not done yet. Despite the fact that it's the Mwitu way, in Mwitu imeenda group of schools. So let's continue. So after that, I'm going to use the concealer, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Okay. So you're just going to have a little bit on your hand. I mean, just some. Yep. Yeah, like that much. That's a lot though. Just little. And then we're going to use the brush that we have here on our concealer. This is what we're going to use to shape our brows. And there we go. Oh guys, I almost forgot about my mirror. Guys, I don't know where to place this mirror. Like, I don't know where to place this mirror. There. Nope. Well, acha rudi tu hapa chini. Yeah. Guys, I'm operating on one hand because the other hand is holding the mirror. I have a feeling that this is not going to come out the way it does, but I think I'm going to insert a picture of the brows that I've taken time making, because I don't know, I think this is going to be a fail. Wow! Zinataka kuniaibisha kwa camera the very first day I'm making the video. Yup, we finally done lining down there, though the line is not like completely straight, but I'm going to align it. So we're going to do the same thing that we've done for the downside for the upper part. I mean, where is this camera going to? There we go. Like that. But we're not yet done. You'll just repeat the same thing until you're quite convinced that this is how I want my eyebrows to look like, and they're looking kind of natural. So let's just keep repeating the same procedure. Hoping it's not going to fail us. It has never failed me before. So I just hope it does not fail me now. So guys, I can't talk and still make this brow at the same time, so you have to bear with me. And I think that's enough for that arc. It's not looking cute like I expected it to. But after you, I'm going to insert a picture for you. I'm going to insert a picture for you somewhere, I don't know, of the way these brows usually look like after I've done them. And this is the same procedure that I usually use, so I don't know why they failing me now. Maybe it's because I'm kind of nervous, I don't know. So after that, we're just going to use this brush here for the Pro Concealer and brush these parts just to ensure that it's not very sharp like it was. Yep. And you can still use the brush to rectify any other place that you feel it's a mess. Yeah, and that's it. But I still feel like I haven't given this my best. It's not like I haven't given it my best, like it's failing me because I'm recording for people to see. So I don't know, the devil. Let me stop blaming the devil though. After that, this is where our tissue paper is going to come in. Now, because we are not going to beat our face fully, we have to wipe off the excess concealer. Yes, so that it can look nice. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to wipe off the excess concealer. Oh Lord. Okay, Lord. Guys, can you notice that I'm sweating? I'm sweating. Oh, that's how nervous I am. Anyway, it's because of the weather. Yeah, it's very hot inside here. You can still go in with the brush from your Pro Concealer just to rectify any part that you feel it's not looking good enough. And there we go. That is how the brow looks like. Lord, I still feel it's not looking cute enough. So let me use my finger just to try and tap out the excess. So this is how it looks like. Guys, I'm going to insert a picture for you. That is how it looks like, and we're going to do the same for our other brow. So this is what my second eyebrow looks like. Yep, there we go. I have to hide the very first one because it was a mess. Anyway, I'm not saying that the second one was perfect, but it's better than the very first one. Yep. There we go. It's better. Yeah, and that's it. They both didn't turn out the way I wanted them to, but all in all, you've understood the procedure of the way to make your eyebrows like a pro, the Mwitu way. I'm going to insert several pictures, like 2 or 3 pictures, for you to see what the eyebrows usually look like after making them using this same procedure. Honestly, I don't know what has happened in this video because this is not the way I usually do my eyebrows. Ooh. Yeah, but all in all, I had to pass this to the public. So that's it, guys, for this video. And if you like the video, ensure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you get notified each and every time I post. Bye.